One of my passions now is woodworking. We have a cabin in Packwood, so that's our escape. It's only a couple hours away. It's a beautiful drive. And I don't do a lot of painting and drawing, but I hope to get back into that again. But photography is one that I still do a lot of.
Most of my time is spent outdoors because my office is a box and the operating room is a box, and both without windows. So the minute I get out of work, I'm in my yard, I'm on the boat, I'm outside, and so I make certain I get out there all the time.
So we have football on a Saturday morning in the fall. We like to get out to the beach a lot, so that's probably our connection back to the harbor at this point. Our family has a place down in Westport that we spend as much time at as possible.
As a young high school and college kid, I was much more into diving, springboard diving, gymnastics, and freestyle skiing. Those were my passions. So a lot of flipping and being upside down in the air. And then as I've gotten older, I've gotten into endurance sports.
You're going to see me cycling around town. To travel and go on hiking trips allows me to really enjoy the outdoors. So if you're going to see me, it's either going to see me at a coffee bar or you're going to see me out hiking, and that's where you're going to see Dr. A.
I have devoted myself to daily exercise in one form or another. And so I really enjoy my family. I enjoy the time that I spend at home. I love the garden. And I'm looking forward to starting to hike again. And so when patients come in and they say, I really want to get back to hiking, I really want to get out to the mountains and do a little bit of climbing, I understand what they mean. The passion to get outdoors in this environment is so compelling that I want to make sure that I get them to achieve their goals so that they can enjoy this. It's just spectacular.